Video on Go, and today we'll learn about the variables and constants in Go programming. So today we'll learn variable. Okay, so let's first declare a variable. So to declare a variable, you need to use the var keyword. Although this is optional, there are different ways you can declare a variable. So we'll go see all one by one. So suppose you want to declare variable I, a, b, okay, and then you need to define the data type. Okay, what data type this variable, this will hold the data of. Okay, so if you need to store 1 2 3 4, then you need to define int, or if variable will store suppose string value hello abcd or name, then you need to define it as a string. And then we have a floating point value as well, so where float and float is of whether it will be 32-bit or whether it will be 64-bit. That is also possible in while declaring. Now you can see that I, a, and there is a red underline because these are not used. So let's try to use this. So I'll use fmt dot print. I'll use I, comma a, comma a, and then f, comma f. Okay, this is how these so the error, there is no error right now. Now along with this, you can define the values of these as well. So if I will say I equal to 10, a equal to hello, and f equal to 20.2. okay, let's try to run this program. So you can run this, as I said in the earlier, you can run it from terminal, or you can run it from the run command line menu editor as well. Okay, so we have, you can see I equal to 10, a equal to hello, and f equal to 20.2. okay, same things can be run from the command line as well. So here I can say I equal to 10 and then a equal to, so due to this space issue, I think it's not clear. We can write like this. So now we have proper formatting as well. Okay, if you need to know the data type of any, that also is possible. fmt dot print f, you will say data type %t, and if I need to know the data type of a, I can get to know that. Okay, so see, the data type is of type string. So through this you can find the data type of a given variable as well. Okay, so that's how we learned how to declare variable and how to use it as well. Okay, now we'll see how we can define the constant or other things. Okay, so to define the constant, we need to use different keyword. So const is the keyword through which you can define the constant. And so suppose if I am defining constant which I don't want to be changed, so suppose age, if I am defining, so better syntax is capital for constant, and age equal to, if I am saying 10, then 10 value will be assigned to this constant age, and it cannot be reassigned. Okay, so here we can print as well, fmt dot println age. Okay, we don't need semicolon here. you can see a is equal to 10. So we know now how to define a constant, how to define a variable. Okay, there is one easy way as well. If you don't want to use var, so you can say x equal to 10. This is also allowed, and here you can define x equal to comma x. Okay, that is also allowed. So if I'll try to save it, and then if I'll run it, you will see the value of x equal to 10 as well. Okay, that's how also you can define the variable